Today we'll be finishing our Japanese Notan designs. We've already done one box inside of another box. So my first inside box was black, then my second outside box was white. Now I'm adding a third, which is this black on as a square. It only leaves me two sides to create on. So instead I'm going to turn it as a diamond. So then I can create here, 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 and here. Now, I don't want to cut anything or create anything in here because there's nowhere for me to flip it and glue it. So it would just be lost. Same with up here. This space up here has nowhere to flip and glue, so I shouldn't make a design on there. Even these very edge corners here are very close to the end and would be hard to flip and glue on. So I really want to stay between about here, probably here, 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 and here. I don't want any of my designs to go further than that because they won't have anywhere to glue on. I'm also going to kind of make my sides match because it's like a border. So what I do on this side, I'm going to do probably on this side and then try to do it up here and over here. I'm going to make some swoops like this for one side, and I'm going to come back and do it to this side. Oh, you can't even see those swoops. Let me do them darker. I'm going to make some swoops right there. And I'm going to swoop over here to match it. Alright? Then up here, I could do something different and I could match it down here. I'm just going to do the same kind of swoops though, I think. I'm going to swoop, swoop, come down. I'm going to stop right there because my black piece is there and I don't want to cut this black piece over the white piece. I'm going to match it over here and swoop, swoop, and put it down. I'm going to cut out one of these sections, this one first. And just like we did with that little box in the middle originally, once I'm done cutting it, it's going to flip onto the black surface, the outside surface. Alright, so I've cut that piece. I'm going to reposition my paper on here so I know exactly where I am. All of my lines are still on my paper, so it's where I was before. I'm going to take my piece and I'm going to flip it out and I'll glue it right here. You see how it makes a third Notan box here? We have 1, 2, 3 sheets of paper. Their Notans flipped out here and then flipped out here. If you have extra pencil marks left on your paper, you want to erase those so that they're not seen. This is called having good craftsmanship. People look for this to be able to tell the kind of character you have. So if you've erased your lines and kept it a neat job, you're going to be considered kind of a neat person. You have good craftsmanship. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece down. It'll help me line up my artwork later on. I'm going to carefully put the glue on there. I don't want the glue all over my paper, just on this piece that I'm gluing down. And I know the side that I drew on, the pencil side, is going to go face down, so it's easy to remember I put the glue on the pencil side. I'm going to line it up with the edges that I cut, press it down, and this piece is done. Now I can go through and cut all of these, flip them over, glue them down. After I've done that, I will make sure my name is somewhere on my piece on the back so that it can be read, whether it's on the top corner up here or on a corner of the black over here. Capiche? Alright, you may begin working.